Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the second part of the video that is called strings. So in this video we are going to see what else we can do with the strings, what are the modification methods that are present. So first comes the upper method in Python. So if your string has all the characters in lowercase and you want to convert it to uppercase, you can do a dot upper. So initialize a variable and called the function a dot upper, and if you try to print this out on your terminal, you will see that all the characters inside that string are converted to uppercase. So that's how the upper method works in Python. Similarly, we have a lower method in Python. So if your string contains all the characters in uppercase and you want to convert them to lowercase, you can call the method dot lower, and by this if you print, you will see that all the characters has been converted to lowercase. Let's see how we can remove white spaces from a string. So white spaces are the extra spaces that are present at the beginning and at the end of a string. So I have initialized the string like that, and if you want to remove the extra spaces from it, you can type print and call the strip method of a string. So you have to write the variable's name and then do dot strip. So let's quickly run the file and see what is the output. So if you run the file, you will see that all the white spaces have been removed from the string. Another thing that you can do with strings is to replace a substring from a string. So to do that, initialize a string, and so to replace a string, you can use the dot replace method in the Python. So it takes two parameters. The first parameter is the substring that you want to replace, and the second parameter is the substring that you want to insert it in its place. So let's print out the output on our terminal string 2, and if we print it out, the o inside the string will be replaced with the p. Let's take another example of replace. So if you want to replace the whole substring hello from the hello world, so you can use the replace method and replace hello with bye also. So print it out on the terminal and you will see that hello has been replaced with bye. So now we are going to see the string concatenation. String concatenation is combining two or more strings to form a new single string. So I have initialized two strings a and b. To concatenate both of them, we can use the plus operator present in Python. So if you print a plus b, you can see that it has formed a new singular string and combined all of them. But here is and John doesn't have a space, so we can add another string between them that is called like a empty string, and when you print it out, you will see that a space is also added in between. We can also combine the strings and then assign the value to a third string like this, and then we can print the third string, and if you print it out, you can see that the single string has been assigned to variable c. One important thing I want to tell you, that we cannot do concatenation of a string with an integer. Let's suppose we have an integer equals to 1. So if we try to do concatenation with the plus operator of an integer, it will always try to do addition, not concatenation. That's why it will produce an error. So let's check it. So if we try to do the concatenation with this, it will try to do addition instead of concatenation, but one cannot be added with this. Like addition, mathematical addition is not possible, so it will give you a error. So we can do this. You can see that it is giving us an error that can only concatenate string, not into str. So now the question arises that how can we do concatenate a string with an integer. So to do that, we have a format method in Python. So what we can do is we can do like this. um, my name is add Edwin and my age is dot format, and then inside format we can insert any value. So now this will concatenate the string with an integer. So if we quickly run this, you can see it has printed my name is Edwin and my age is 23. So now to take it to the next level, what we can do is we can initialize a string like this, and let's copy it from here. In I have created a string like this, and I have cars, and then we'll do format and then 20 comma 6. So what it will do is it will insert the first value inside the format to this, and the second value inside the format to this. And let's print the str now. Print str, and if we quickly clear the terminal and run the file again, you will see it has printed my name is Edwin and my age is 20 and I have 6 cards. So it has inserted these values inside this string, and then assigned the whole string's value to a variable called str, and then we can access all the values through str. So another variation in this is, if you want to provide numbers inside this, let's suppose these values are shuffled. Let's suppose it's present in 6 here and the this is present here, and you don't know where you want to insert the values. So what you can do is you can type this like this indexes, and now the second value inside this will be printed here, and the first value that is inside the format will be printed here. Let's suppose now we can do this again, and you can see, sorry, uh I did a mistake here because this index starts from 0, so it will be 0 and it will be 1. Now if we clear it and then run, you can see that it has given us the same output. I have listed out some of the important operators that are present in strings. Capitalize, it converts the first character to the uppercase. Ends with returns true if the string is ending with some specified value. You can specify the value you want to check inside these square brackets. Is upper, it returns if the string is uppercase or not. Is lower is also there, so it returns true or false value based on the type of like casing present in the string. So that's it for this video, and this also marks an end to our topic Python strings. We have covered almost all the important topics that are present in string. You can also find the problems on internet and all. I'll take goodbye from here, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding.